Hi, I'm Chaitali Kulkarni from Mumbai. I have been on a plant based vegan journey for the past 4 years, but things shifted for me even more deeply when I reached out to Wellcure for support. Initially, to help my toddler live a medicine free life, I didn't expect that would end up transforming my second pregnancy and birth experience completely. My first pregnancy was really tough. I had these migraines, constant fatigue. I could barely function actively, despite being someone who had always been active. And pregnancy left me feeling like a patient. It didn't feel like a joyful journey that I had imagined. This time, the second time around, of course, it was different. The first trimester was hard. I had strong nausea, but I understood that it was my body detoxifying and I let it. I rested and trusted the process. From the second trimester onwards, I was glowing with energy. I was taking care of my toddler, going to work, walking, doing yoga, climbing stairs, taking enough sunbathing, grounding, everything. And this was on a 70% raw food diet, fruits, salads, lots of hydration, and one simple plant based, wholesome cooked meal for dinner. That was, it. My birth was a dream, a natural water birth, no medicines, no painkillers, no IVs, no medical interventions, just me, my breath, and my baby. Even though I had a natural tear and required stitches, I didn't end up taking any antibiotics or painkillers for the same, and I healed naturally. I was managing both my kids by week 2 with full energy and clarity. And the best part was my daughter latched immediately in the golden hour, the first hour after birth. Unlike my first, who needed formula for 3 days and had sleep challenges, and this time the breastfeeding was definitely effortless. She's a calm and a peaceful baby since, day one. None of this would have been possible without Dr. Prashanti and the Wellcure team's guidance, their belief in nature cure, their constant support to educate the mother. For me, also, whether it was navigating an IUGR scare or standing firm against certain unnecessary tests or understanding how to trust my own body, they stood by me. They also intervened wherever parental pressures were there. They reminded me and them that the body knows that birth is not a medical event and that motherhood can be joyful, powerful, and instinctive. I'm so grateful to Dr. Prashanti, Nivedita, and Asha for being my guides through this sacred journey. And to any mothers watching this, if you're curious and unsure, Wellcure team is the right people to support you on this path. Feel free to reach out to me as well if necessary. This whole natural way of doing things is not just possible, it's beautiful.